Hey guys, this is Moritz from PC Max. We're at Computex 2012 with Gigabyte. With me is Colin, and what he's holding here is a new Gigabyte mainboard, which will come out later sometime. And it has a specialty in terms of the power supply. Can you tell us something about that?
Yes, thank you. This is our Gigabyte Z77X-UP7 motherboard. So the UP7 means this motherboard actually has the most features out of all of our Z77 lineup. Briefly about the power zone, we're actually using a new technology called Ultra Durable 5. So we're using high current capable components for the power delivery. On this motherboard, as you'll see here by the chokes, we're actually using 32 power phases. So a lot of power phases to deliver maximum power to the CPU.
So this is mainly going to be an overclocking board, right? Because of the lots of power phases there?
Yeah, definitely. So we've designed it with a lot of overclocking features on board. We've got the hardware OC buttons, B clock up and down, ratio up and down, power, clear CMOS, voltage switch, debug card.
You also got the dual BIOS on there, right?
Yeah, and this one's actually kind of unique because it's got a dual BIOS switch, so you can switch between, and you can also turn off dual BIOS feature because you know, if you're overclocking and your overclock fails, you don't want to go back into your old BIOS to reboot it.
Yeah.
So
besides that, there's mainly like the standard Z77 features, right? You got the micro PCI Express slot there for SSDs, right?
Correct.
What about SLI features?
So this is an actual four-way board. We're supporting four-way Crossfire and SLI. We're using a PLX-Chip here to give us that extra bandwidth from Z77.
So what about availability? Can you tell us something on this topic?
So this is an early stage board right now. We're actually still working on some design elements of it, thinking of adding some features. So we're looking at the next couple of months for this board.
Okay, so I guess there's no word on the price range yet?
No word on the price, but it will be our high range Z77 motherboard.
So in terms of performance and price, both? Okay, all right, thank you very much.
Thank you.